So we're just finishing up entering our Z0 offset for tool number 3. As you can still see, the paper is still in between the tool itself and the stock that we're cutting. So we're going to go ahead and remove the piece of paper and work on setting our X geometry offset for tool number 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hold onto the paper so it doesn't fall. But essentially, I don't want to move the Z right now, especially if you're unsure if it's going to the left or to the right, the positive or the negative. So just to be safe, what we can do is we can go ahead and move it in the X direction first and bring it back off of our stock and pull the paper away. Now, our goal is to use a piece of paper again, and we're going to find out basically where this tool is going to be touching the stock here. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to go ahead and move the cutter over in the Z direction just a little bit, move it in the X direction up towards our stock a little bit, because we want to basically pin the piece of paper between the cylinder that's freshly cut and the end of our tool. So I'm going to go ahead and put the piece of paper in the way, and now I'm going to go ahead and go in the X direction, and I'm going to go in until I start to feel resistance on the paper. I'll step down my rate and continue to move in until you actually feel enough friction that the paper doesn't want to move. So I'm moving in the X direction positive, going inward. And as soon as I feel that friction and I can't move the piece of paper, we want to stop. So now that's going to be our position for our tool number 3 X offset value.